Got this here. Look at that. Bad solder joint. Got called out, said it was leaking. Let's get this repaired. I got it separated. You can see where solder didn't even make it hardly to the top of that at all, going into that fitting there. So that's a bad deal, really. I'll clean this out. Add in our flux here so our soft solder has something to follow into. I'm gonna add, before I fluxed that, I wiped it out, get all the debris and everything out of there. And then we're gonna flux this, make sure it's seated all the way back up against this fitting. Got it seated, ready to throw some solder on it. Get it all cleaned up. Good. Got it opened up. Gonna watch it to make sure there ain't no leaks, and should be good to go.